I love the movement in this lure though.
Oh, the little leg?
Yep.
I was hoping you were going to have like a big bass. Me too.
There's big bass in here.
Is it?
Oh yeah. Shoot.
I've only caught a couple small ones, but I've seen a couple of real big ones.
Oh yeah?
Over here, walking in, one day there was a big old bass.
There we go. I watched him. I just saw my lure disappear. Come on out. He's a good one. There we are.
Where's he hooked at?
In the mouth. Right here.
Right close. Look at there. Wow.
I love these jigs for that reason. You almost always get them in the mouth. And it's almost always the side of the mouth. You guys go. Thank you, buddy. He pounded that thing, didn't he? And what are you using?
Daredevil.
Oh, you're just jigging the Daredevil?
Black and white one.
Oh.
Hey, there you got one.
There you go. Everybody's catching today.
Throw your bobber over here.
Did you have one?
No, I'll hop it myself.
Oh. That wouldn't be good.
No, I got caught. Cool. It's okay. Good. Alright. This backpack has been the best thing I've done. Unless you're at a pond like this. But if I gotta go for a little walk, the backpack is great. What?
Oh. Oh, look at the size of that guy.
Yep. They're eating up the bubblegum stone.
Don't you fall into the water. Ow. I got her.
Something.